So this is all about acceptance, and the emphasis, the beauty, comes from health, from self-loathing to self-love, self-care. It's not from Photoshop, putting all the filters out on Instagram to make people look beautiful. It's not real. You may be skeptical, but hopefully you're intrigued. To make a small change, how can you do that? You can swap your usual sodas for water. You can read about nutrition. You can start to take short walks. You can join a gym class. Because it's the small changes that will change the way you feel about yourself. Only small changes. You don't need to do a lot in the beginning. And after a while of changing these tiny little steps, you start to feel good about yourself. So begin with short walks, read about nutrition, start to eat healthy. And it's the first step to take you from self-loathe to self-love.